chef come out. Say just if you want make justice, take them in the palace that you want to summon is okay idahosa and President Murphy to the palace. The man went up from Popa. Was summon near the palace. And who is the very pa? Et que nous voyons pour la fia, mais pour la respect pour la Niger. Donc moi, besoin de philo. Philo est pas mal ouais. Philo au point pas mal ouais. Et pas mal que les cas ouais. Qui sert au numéro 10. Et pas mal ouais. Et pas mal ouais. Because et depuis maman ouais pour aller en Italie. Then we have quelqu'un well et fait. Donc nous voyons cette stratégie dans mais it's okay. Donc nous voyons cette stratégie dans va jouer. Mais it's okay. Okay, Emmanuel go and feel the barrier palace ba. Then now, why can't you tell those people to go and answer your problem in the palace? But they may not beg you by power. What's the need?
My people, now good evening. God will bless all of you around the good Edo people. Now me una pikin all of you know. Pikin wey dey stand for truth. Pikin wey no dey stand for wayo. Pikin wey dey talk am as e be. Wey go dey talk am. Both man and woman wey dey for outside. Many go dey vex. Both man and woman wey dey for his house. Many go dey vex. If we talk to they go dey vex. We don't know, say, all wetin we dey talk come out for our mouth. Now wetin dey pay them for body. Now wetin dey pay them for body. They go dey find different way where they want to put us for trouble. God no dey gree for them. So take person wey you don't know. Because I talk, the word when I talk, it will affect everybody for his house. If people like us get friend, because of what we dey talk, if people know our girlfriend, they'll go to poison them for back. Because of the truth we will tell the world. But God know, as He take plan individual life. But we see truth, we will not talk truth. You know, say this life, I dey tell everybody, bribe, if the lead person, they go where you're not supposed to lead person go. You know, say, as me see matter, if I see matter, I go talk and see be. If say you want to bribe me, say you want to forget for the matter, I know they take. They bring matter for me, you want to bribe me. I know through that bribe, we'll come change to friend. Now then you find what you want to disgrace me. That's why I know they take bribe. You see this matter of Eddie Murphy plus Owiokwo, Prosper. Now see as they work out today. They don't drop body, they go palace now. They don't drop body, they go police station. They say anybody. I don't know if you speak for English, when I speak for Benin. Anybody way no boy in a agbo one. A David D. Now a boy in a agbe. You know, say this life what would they so? Me be prophet at it all of una know. If I say truth, I dey hammer the truth. So it go dey affect many women for his house. It go dey affect many men for his house. And at the truth I dey talk. Time they come 10 years time, 15 years time. All the old people where they bite me, all of them come to celebrate with me. I'm gonna mark this today's dates. I dey talk and they come before. If we dey talk to a woman self, or we get a friend, because say you know her, you go to spoil us for back. Time they come, when you come lay down, they beg for forgiveness. It go not too late that time. As we dey do our thing. It get where we dey go today. I go touch many places before I go start to play this Eddie Murphy video. It's okay video waiting they cry. The time when this Obioku, they bring the matter for this social media, I see the truth. I tell them the truth. This Imama waiting for Nigeria today, run comment. Because he go meet that one where they sleep with another man's wife. He go there, he saw that one. He be saying, why can't you try me? When I get him. That's why he take pick race. Because he knows not the truth. Now I tell her, say, a bad mother and a bad mother, mother will not ask a picky question. That's why some of these women today, if I dey talk, they pay them for a house. Woman, picky way woman train. If you see most of these women today, we train picky way, they don't let their papa because of social benefits near their children. Many of their children now they buy person for London today. Now they chuku person for London today. Out of greediness, now make cause of all this one body. Since when I did work, only one woman, now I just see. We not take greediness, they follow a papa of a pikin. The man say, what did the man do a good or a bad, or what did the woman do a bad or a good? But the woman not take greediness, they follow papa of a pikin. But the papa of a pikin, now only God now go testify. But anyway, you see, mama train pikin, he get as they be. I try to pray, say my papa na train me. I not go school, but my papa gave me wisdom. He trained me in a good way. If I see white, I'll say na white. If I see black, I'll say na black. That's what my papa trained me. This Ovioku, a mother, is spoiled that pikin. I dey pro na we be woman, una we be women, we define husband. That Ovioku, una don't. I believe all of una don't know her now. I must only they say the truth to that mother. He trained that pikin wayward. Una we be women waiting for Europe where they find husband. Una don't see Ovioku picture, make una they run for her. I must tell una the truth. This guy Ovioku na get bebe mat, wayo mat. Ovioku can talk from now to tomorrow. If you jam me for lie as a woman, waiting man never tell you before, he go tell you all of them. You're teaching a better man. So now we be women. Women they look man. Women they go after. For me today, even though I'm not married for Europe again, if I reach out today, I'll see you get married. When I go train to my taste. For instance. But they quarrel now, they drop body, they go cut, they draw, go everywhere. I see they repeat and I tell my man, Ovioku, prosper, say, he train in picking wayward. I see they tell him today. The time when I want to tell her the truth, this is the Murphy with his socket because of 50 euro where they want to give them. Because of 50 euro where they want to give them. Now bring disgrace to them today. We be seen and prosper. Ovioku now they say can't thief good for the house today. Where they drop body, they go everywhere. So it is said the most in a person where they stand for truth. As you see that truth that time in hammer. Whether you turn to my enemy or you turn to my friend, I don't care. This one where the movie did today, if for no day. I see one video where the movie wife do today. He sent message to the old people waiting for Europe. Say if you be woman, make you look the type of friend where they follow the waka. If you be man, make you look the type of friend. And if you be woman, look the man where you carry her house. Man want come meet you for house. Say you want friend you. The man will pretend you. After 4 years, 5 years, now they know man character. Now say be for woman. He played that video because they find the video since I not come see him again when I can't tell you now. But what I come for now? Any word when I did talk, it did come to pass. If I did tell people this is the joke. Where the movie they insult me because of Obiokwu, I tell them say disgrace go enter their body with time come. I tell them, I say disgrace Allah wagbe where I say. Are we not seeing the disgrace today? If people can see most of this my video, if they not thief my page, people will thief my page. You can go into that page, you go and look for the videos, you will see it. If they never delete and come up for the page with the thief, when I go say, disgrace, time will come, disgrace will enter their body. I dey beg una wey be mothers. Even though now with man not dey again, no na let man they penetrate into their children. Woman can train pikin to be zizard. And as they train the pikin, it go dey give them bad words, bad orientation. Now they give the children. They will never say the truth. What happened between their father with them. They will never say the truth. Then the lie now they drop for the children. They want to destroy their hearts. So, Obiokwu, prosper. I told you people disgrace will enter our body. I'm not supposed to come talk for this matter. But now what when I talk that say disgrace Allah white me. If I move it man with the stand for truth, I believe say this great, you know if you draw this boy in your body, draw and enter a house. Talk about say, as that matter you go quarrel with everybody who do their own go. Tell them truth. If you the verse of me, the verse. And the move you want to say na in good pass. But today, they draw their body for inside Benin, but Germany. They draw their body for everywhere. So the video where is okay do, whether I yesterday we did tell una we dey for Europe, Germany, Italy, he advise women, say make una no dey tell una friends. If una dey for house, make una no dey tell una friend that una dey waka. They go spoil una. He say if you get boyfriend, no carry your boyfriend matter go give another woman. Because that woman, if he know, say your boyfriend na great man for front. If he be saying a woman where you trust, hello, video man. You have to wear la video, you have to wear bamo. If he be say, you know say all those women, they no great person. If you go open the opportunity for them, you the friend woman or you the friend man, maybe your boyfriend just do slight mistake. You go to tell those kind dubious women for the society. And all those kind women, they to diabolical. Now they put church for head. You go they use the name of church, they deceive you, go take and destroy you, your future. You no go know. And the movie wife now dropped that advice. I'll still go find that video because I did for work when I did plan. Before I say why I carry my pocket, come out when I bring down the video you run pass. I'll still go find out. But anyway, the movie wife they cry and say the good Edo people, may they can't talk truth for this matter. Before person like me go talk truth for this matter, I must tell them where they get it wrong. I must tell them. Augaba, Wino Nyanji. Una don't know me for this Edo Sabbath space. None of them, both home and away, no way go fit do me anything. None of them. Awoku tabwe gbe no vekeri. Ema tuwe wi agmo. We have pityness for people. But who do bad? Now dry leaf, now they take clean yansh. The one who go to do now, we know what they do for public again. Anybody who don't do bad, will stop the take dry leaf, they clean their yansh. Except you don't do bad. If I do you bad, take dry leaf, clean my yansh. In over these 2 years, when I tell it's okay with the movie, say, a disgrace Allah will be prosper now. What it happen? When Papa Prosper die, Ovioku, the woman when he do burial for her, may they go, if there's so much money, the woman buy ticket for the woman saying go buy ticket come from Germany, go buy ticket cost me, you will come buy my home, you will go to go house. The money will Prosper take from her, we go do mama burial. When I did talk, when this woman come here, I come talk and the movie block, you know, let they say the truth because of 50 euro or 100 euro where they want to be. But I believe say the money where they just spend now, the movie just spend because it is say not draw this boy at her house. The money where the movie just spend now, what he don't lose now, good. I believe say not go lose now. You go see why it's okay now, you not get gold again, where they put for neck. He said the truth that time. He not draw this boy near body. It's okay, you say get gold where go they put for neck now. Now they see it's okay for party again, because no gold again. So, more could listen to it's okay. The video when it dropped this evening. More plan. Before I go plan, I go solely say the truth to these people. I must say the truth. Because anything when I talk down, when the thing go, when it go come, I can't tell people say, I tell them say this go down about you. Or some people when he laugh me say I not get documents. I say so not get again today. They not feel the buy ticket travel again. They not get documents today again. Now that they find me picking, can't give their paper now. Why some way laugh me that they relocate? That they relocate, go to that country now. So my people, una good morning, una good evening. God bless all of you. I'm the happiest man in this earth today. I thank all the old people when he bless me. When I did pursue my documents. God bless all of you. I did pray today. This time, last 2 years, I don't feel pray say I want to go last for December this year. I don't feel pray say I will go ask for November this year. I did pray now say I will go. Anybody where they plan they with me, all of us go meet beneath. We'll meet body for my papa land. Oda fega ayi onya, obi go ga yu wunya. Bona pere. Era me wanya ifaga tin yoto ama no dion. Magiri ba wera me no kwa, we ba ni ra me no kwa na wo dion we. When my papa go they talk that word, bona pere, anya invaga tinota no dion. As we did for us at that day, cashew day for front of our house, 2 beds on the fly they come. Now, Baba, it turn with mama anywhere, anya invaga tinota no dion. No calf you work at all dion. I said the one we fair put left for grand, now be senior. Not be waiting on the sea, now me the sea. If I tell you say this person not good, you be man, run for that person. If I tell you say this person not good as a woman, run for that person. At the end, you are going to tears. So anyway, this more a solo when I want to put for share the video, I don't put on. More listen to the movie. Wife, it's okay. Obi Bobby Zua. We dey cry because of gold. They say they don't sleep well. Na person hand. Now they take draw. Obu wa ya si, you wa gwa lo say. Or say na mo eri, o na mo eri be social media now. You know say anybody when they breed their matter on social media. And the most go like to make friends with that people. Me for the collect for their hand. 50 euro, 100 euro, not making me. The truth, you know, if you say the truth to that person, say, hey, we go man. He go even join the person. They take police, they find you for those states. He go, they take police, they find you for those states. I'm very happy today. If I see him, the way prosper, when they bring the matter come for me. We chop person money, woman. He no woman, nobody 3 months, nobody 2 weeks, maybe 1 month. If papa back, the woman can't money come out of his house. But Prosper betrayed that girl. When I talk the matter, Mama Prosper call me. I do want the thing for my life. You know, he pick race. And the movie come to show Ojewe. Now I tell and say disgrace go enter their body. Not be the disgrace be this one now. Is here everybody that beat their matter into social media now you go beat their friends? Not be everybody when they beat their matter on social media. They are not my friend. I will only tell them the truth and leave it and live there. They will say only the truth can set us free. Una way they go church, una they carry Bible. They say only the truth can set us free. When me can't say my truth, you can't obstruct me. Nadia will tell you, say, why me fight boawo? See the disgrace today now. As that matter come that time, I talk to Prosper. Me with an offer be friends. I don't say because they bring matter for me now. When I can go call Prosper, me come bring 100 for me. When I can be friends. I cannot do that. They look you as a somebody. You betrayed all those baby mama. 7 baby mama. Now this boy don't give belly for Europe. No one deal with them for house. For you to tell them the right thing. You even come to do video for your parlor with Prosper. Now they do ganya. See una ganya. Where it reach today now? Now they drop body for ITV, television station. Germany, now they go court. Now they go police station today. Here what my BSC. Obama yasi. If you not sleep well, now you want to take drop. Some people say what I do for social media not good. I never get what I do for social media no way not good. All those videos, internet not forget something. If not the one when I tell you talk to all those our sisters for the kind useless life where they live. 10 years coming, maybe they are picking. Now go come thank me. Maybe now they are picking will come thank me with time reach. This man he talk to now no year. Because the world don't need the truth. If you talk to single mother, Old woman waiting for her inside with the verse because now on any way the same rope now tight 12 days. Una know where all those women they run for me because I know they tolerate. I be man of the house. I dey give them woto. I make all of the pick reason. You know say they need man wey munye where they control. So my people, una good evening. God bless all of una this evening. I don't throw away their solo when I want to wait for a side. Now, we want to play the movie wife. It's okay. Not everybody you see in the street, you can take it to your home. Now, say see before you will be woman. Not be any woman where you see go open left for. I tell you that time, say this girl go enter her body. Anybody when I talk, say, I am you go down, go mark him. In a day for. But these people of this world, they are full of deceiving. The way Ovioko take man follow, where they talk to the movie this now. But today now, the year say, now Ovioko can't even go to the movie house, where they tie Usaze and go back. So take the door reach inside Benin now. Urokpota ho, now they see today. Urokpota ho, now they see today where they dey. Now they see today where they do. Why some people they say in a palace? So anyway, more play the movie. It's okay. Video more listen.
Because a baby mama will wear Italy.
Not the way they know they see, not the way they know they see. It's okay now they tell us say power they sleep with your mama philo. Not the way they know they see. It could be truth, it could be lie. It could be truth, it could be lie. But not the way they know they see. But what do you know say they go cause put? Where they go swear put as a brother and sister, no talking for person body. You don't see me now. All people when I don't follow correct, make they go bring go juju. They not go bring go juju. They go they run for juju because now the truth, they not say now the truth that they talk. They don't say now the truth. If I carry married woman, I catch married woman, even though you are zo, ugly you are zo. Oh, you are ugly zo. You are not observant. But the way I think they beat them, now be the annoyance when I think they beat them, think they disgrace them. Because no way me done. Are you both again? More than that, man. No way me done. You both again. More but done. I am more no way me done. So this one way soccer talk so say power they sleep with it. In mama philo. We not say nothing will not happen. I'm not saying the truth now. If it be truth, if it be lie. Maybe na pepper body we prosper TV gold. Now make the movie wife talk this one now. If they reach a juju place, maybe they will get the truth for you, whether Prosper they sleep with the mama, whether or not they sleep with the mama, we'll get the truth. Because the time we good, never lost, we not hear this one. They say Prosper they sleep with the mama, we not hear this one. I don't think I talk now, say Prosper. Why you go to sleep with your mama? Why you go to sleep with your mama? No, I don't think I talk that one. We know these people for social media. When they post something for your body, you know, let come out. Now look I get where they go say, I think go to. Because of the truth when I talk. When I tell they say, change for your evil way. They go find person come. Me come set me up, say I think go to. Now not hear. That name, they see the committee today, Ojewe. Now not the hear when they talk. Now truth when I tell them, when I drive, they come up for bad thing. Now they take pull life from my body. This one now, if you be saying a lie, they talk, say Prosper, they sleep with the mama. If you be saying a truth, they talk. But me, I don't feel follow the talk that what is Prosper, they sleep with the mama. But nothing where they know they see. But waiting me they happy they put. Will make me the talk for this. We are not supposed to talk, Poto. But I tell them, say disgrace go enter their body. And the disgrace don't come. Una go see pikin where they do bad. For now forbid the pikin come out for bad. Una go be support them. Prosper. How many baby mama he destroy? When he condemn. Most of them don't get husband today. Their future husband, they lose them because of Prosper. Some of these ladies get boyfriend way serious with them. Some of these ladies who could not cut here. Inside that 7 baby mama, where Prosper go give birth, go take it with maths. Take deceive so. Most of them get serious boyfriends. Most of some not go school for inside this their boyfriend so but Prosper take man deceive them after he don't give them belly he discharge them because money not deal with them again. So take some now one go settle with his former boyfriend when he friend we say no good now that one they marry and now that one can be the best now where they marry the one woman where Prosper give Belen and that one they marry and as they talk, you don't want to pick it for that one. So, una will be women, if una see this Prosper, they put a picture for Facebook. If they talk to una, if they use juju, Mona tell her me go meet the baby mama way born for her. The one we never marry, me go settle with them. Mona tell her me go meet the baby mama. Una will be woman. A good woman, you don't do go now to the house. If una see man wait off a bone, una go ask where ask question. Una not let the man tell una lie. Like my own, una see what he happen for social media. It is all those women in the house. 7 of them for not born for Ovioku. Because he go tell them lies. You see woman will get woman for house now. He never go Nigeria since 5 years old, but he knows say woman born for her. In with the woman see they talk. But if you want those woman for you, he go tell you like saying with he not get woman. He not get woman. We just see what they find. He knows say a baby mama we born for her. Now then you can't know see the concept. At last you go come carry the entire Europe. It don't destroy your life as a woman. Plenty for this Europe. And if you call Mama of Yoko, he go tell say if he not get wife. He not get wife. Now so some mothers they support their pikin for Nigeria. They push their pikin enter say go marry this woman. Go marry this woman. I know say get wife, he go deny say no get. This life is full of evil. Make una dey take care. Make una dey take time. Anyway, The video where they carry me come, when I go to that video, when I not go the through with many words for outside. As I did through, and so many people say this matter concern them. They'll say that they are the talk, but not be they are the talk. I did hammer the truth to the world, may everybody open their ear, me the learn. So when I play the video, the one where the movie where I fail talk now say Prosper they sleep with his mama, Philo, and not talk that one. Oh, if it be truth, if it be lie, you know say anything we come social media lie the follow on. The time where the gold never lost, we Prosper never thief gold, we not get that one. Say Prosper they sleep with his mama, so maybe there is a juju play just now. They'll come say that one a saga. You know, say if they don't reach a juju place, they'll say a saga, they take a saga. But what you know, say no happen, not talking. What you know, say no happen, not talking. No pull life for person here. Anything when I do come for this social media. Anywhere where they draw me go. I obome a kuku niya. If that is sure for sure. It's just for sure. Okay, anyway, more go to the video. More I'm at the video. Thank you for the gift where you they put for me, or the laugh where you they put for me for Tito. Thank you very much. So that one, I not talk more. May the not say at Tito say proper they sleep with the mama. And the move where now they talk and I say nothing will not be possible. We don't see picking with the sleep with the mama. We don't see how they come. So if they see talk and if it be truth, if it be lie, I cannot deny that one for nobody. But no, listen.
Don't why use a strategy now, man, it's okay. Don't why use a strategy now, what is your man, it's okay. Okay, everyone go and feel the barrier palace. Then now, why can't you tell those people to go and answer your problem in the palace? Like I mean, how you beg you weapon?
It's okay. I work at the movie Idahosa. These people, you don't first call them for palace, they not go. Now, when they want call them for palace, you don't need to call the talk, say you don't first go give the paper, they not come. You don't first go give the paper. Now, when you don't first carry the go palace, say they thief your gold. Now, when they come buy ticket, go as they want carry you go palace. You go come out for live video, say, God, you do well. If you go to talk and now say, the time when you first get paper where no answer, you go be like child play. To me, it's like a lie. Since you don't first carry the go palace, it be like they carry me go court for Nigeria now. I never go. I don't get person when I want to say. But my arriving in Nigeria, the video where they take the family for Nigeria say be wanted. Where they be wanted, I go present her for Muritara Mohammed Airport. Television station go there when I dey come down. Police go there when I dey come down. They are looking for me. They say I'm wanted. I did not come this country more than 15 years. They'll carry me go court. They'll carry me go police station. Maybe I feel spend 1 week for there. They go pay me. They will enter court. Since they enter court, where me know, where me for. Say the truth. I go summons them for there. No, go swear. I go summons them for them. No, go swear. As they go for court, will they go for court? Me see they go another side. No, it's just the truth. For instance, I mean for instance, but I know say they don't declare me wanted for Nigeria. I must present myself to the authority. Imagbawa, Imara, I must present myself to the authority. I not be man. I want to be lelaha. E book biani. E wana book biani. O ma so biana na lelaha. E book biani. So, I believe November here, you people will see me when I go to come down for Muritara Mohammed Airport. Only one thing when I want to tell them that day. If na Nigeria, my woman they will want to meet me for airport too. If na Europe before they come down, may they let me engage my wife first for airports. Because that my coming down November in airport, this is the day I want to engage my wife. Now with it, at na airport, na Murtala Mohammed airport, now I want to engage my wife. I know they engage her for corner for backyard. I know they engage her for side room. I know they engage her for side corner of flower. I go beg that one. Mama help me engage her first. I'll tell my brother, go show her my papa house, show her my house, show her my sister house, before they obey me for 3 days or 4 days, before they obey me. They know Egbo. They know it cannot be possible. Now Europe something for happen. You summons me for Nigeria. No problem. Because I know say now wait till I go declare myself at this house. I know they insult anybody now. But I must declare myself if I come down for airport. I no be thief. They say I be thief. Paper when I never take go house for 10 years or 15 years. I go bring and come out for airport. As they arrest me, maybe 1 week or 1 month, they go pay me, or 3 months, they'll pay me. If they pay me the next day, at least as I go do introduction. Maybe 1 week there, I'll do my marriage. Then I'll make them know, see, I know they stay for the country. Now, one time I go, they come here. Anytime we cut today, may they tell me, oh, I'll come down. That's where it reach. I don't get paper when I take the work. If they say in the next 3 months, if I work to this salary, I buy ticket. If I receive the other month, I move. If not only 4 days or 5 days I spend for Nigeria, they come back home. Where we are supposed, where I will go again, apart from that one, I will still go. Wait if I talk, now lie. No swear. And that's where it is. So in this case now, maybe they're not going to reach a juju place tomorrow. Now, because Eddie Murphy dey among all the person wey say me they go summons me for Nigeria. May they go carry me go enter courts. Because of a code there, because of bribe. Person wey say be social media presenter. All people father. All people father. He go see truth. He go define money. You know if he say the exactly truth. Now lead to this one. Where they fight now because of gold. The time we prosper nobody enter that house. Eddie Murphy has. Eddie Murphy gold no loss. The time we prosper, Obioko nobody enter that house. Eddie Murphy gold no loss. Una yes say Eddie Murphy cry come out. You know reach 6 months we prosper till they enter that house Obioko we gold loss. Oma say because any man wey don dey play woman central, wey don dey thief woman money, he can thief anything thiefable. He can thief anything thiefable. No tell me one mu. Oh, one mu no yata. More listen. I don't get too much word when I want to say. If I like, I don't go plan. But all the old word where I say one contact, I don't come talk. If I dey do something, I dey tell people, let me, they look what I dey do. The time when Mama Obioko called me for my parlor for year, He wants start to do anyhow when I give him to a pick race. Because all people for this world know saying the truth. I think they fight people. All the old people for this world, they know saying the truth. But I tell them, say disgrace go enter their body. In nobody's 1 year now, with disgrace fall upon their body. So, when I see person, woman, when he get feeling, your person papa buy. Because he with an adult day, it isn't a better man. He can't money come and go to do your papa burial. You can't fuck that kind of woman up. That will not be stealing by trick. So, person will fit do that one. Why that person not fit thief gold? Why not fit thief for another man gold? Because now they tell us, they talk say thief their gold. Do not be saying they talk say thief gold. I know they ask question. Person will fit do our woman that one now. Why not fit thief gold? So, Eddie Murphy is okay. The truth when I'm going to tell you, you don't go summon these people for palace. They not go house is then. Now when they go house now, when they come summon you, your husband dey for house. As they come palace today, as they stay in a palace, they go. Your husband dey for Edo State. Instantly, he go drive. If they go gree me enter inside the palace. If they not agree, you go send person or you go buy tickets. You go. If they agree me, your husband is inside the palace. Because anybody with the don't swear that palace, for that land, for inside that palace, you know they fit the enter inside palace again. For waiting me know for those tradition when I dey grow they come. Now make me the talk and so. For what I know for a do tradition. Or when I have autonomy, I did make one of you well like web. Now waiting me I know right from time for childhood. I don't know whether they don't change the custom, whether they don't change them all. I don't know. If they don't agree me hater, you send person go. Since you talk and say you don't go some more for there, meaning say the green moon and hater. Now make the same now you first some more. Now, you not come, no need for you to come do video today. They tell the world say the time when I take call now for palace, why not come? The time when maybe they not get the money, they not get person where they want to send that time. Now, of you go with the mama buy ticket, they go palace. You no need to come because you talk and it's okay. Say the time when I call you for palace, you no go that time. Maybe they not get the money or they not sell person, they not get person. You have to be zenunu me or look at no zununu me. I want to speak by myself. It's different for person they speak with me. You don't first someone they not go. Now, they don't come down. They want to say the word of their mouth. Or more video this zenunu. You don't need to come live video say, the time when I first call you for palace, the time when I first call you for palace, the time when I first... No. You don't need to come to talk that one. No, listen. It's like where case where they for court now. Since then, where they carry me go court, where the brokers and say I be wanted for Nigeria. I don't get person when I say go. I go speak my mind. It's not like this waiting these people they do now. Hello? Call you no give.
Why don't you do that? If you need to go,
It's like when they don't carry me go a Kiadolo court. I not go. I not send person go. I not get person for Nigeria when I want to send go. They carry me go Kada. I not get person when I want to send go. But my coming out of this country, the day I'm going to my country, I'm going to submit myself in Murtala Mohammed Airport. I'm going to submit myself. I'm a wanted in Nigeria. Look at the video where they find me wanted. It's just like these people now. You don't want to call them for palace. Maybe they don't get the money to buy tickets. They don't get person where they want to send go. I mean, where at Obama Zenu, you see the way Mama Prosper was speaking, but he did speak for a Peking today. He stands. Mama Prosper stand like this. He did speak to the chief. He Peking stands. You don't need to come to caution and say the time when you call them, why they not come. Now when they don't come, your husband there for house, he there for Nigeria. You don't need to come and do this video, say the time when you call them, no. You don't feel call them for there. They don't get chance that time. You don't need to come to question them. No. They come in those is you be a patient, let them call you people. Or maybe in a fake palace. Back of palace, none of a do now. Maybe in a back of palace on a do now. This one in front of palace. Now make it the talk say the time when you call them that time why they not come. Eh? Thank you for the gift. Why I was a gift to Wakunyo? Why I was it? I want to react by who? They say I no good. I no good. I teach you no good because I no go see truth when I cover the truth. I no go ever see truth when I cover the truth. More they go.
The weapon, una waniki, ora tomorrow, and I don't know some more. No one tell to 1 years old. Whoa, we say power, una left your phone. But yet the best shipping with the power, if you're on a day, a dancing warrior.
It's like me. I dey take my own, they make example. Last time when they go my papa house, court for Okada, they from Okada come my papa house. The school where they for my papa house now, the teacher, or the headmaster, or the principal will get the school. Because nobody there for my papa house again. School call carry the house. The principal find me and I said, don't worry, I don't want you to explain it. When I came back home, I know what to do. If anybody come that place, tell them, say, picking where this thing happen, they there for Europe. Una know a phone number. Make una call them. Since when they don't carry me go court, nobody don't call my phone for judge or the courts. Nobody don't call me. Now high TV, now they see paper, say Atitina wanted. You they talk and I say they call this woman from palace. He called the phone. You don't know whether they for work. The time when they call her. Then he will speak, you go talk. You go say, I will have the ticket now. You work. They don't buy ticket now. When they see rich house, now they make on Mama Ofilo, now make video saying they for Benin. He make video saying they for Benin. Now, your husband there for house. Before they will come back now what you go make sure say now, if na juju now everybody wants to now swear now. Don't be you call the question, they say the time when you call them, why they not come. You have to borrow the nunu me, or master wants the nunu me. If this telephone where they do so, they talk and they talk lies. As he with the pikin stand for front of palace today, I shake my head. You with your husband, now see buy ticket. Una 12, you with your husband go stand. You with the piggy go stand. If you never know, me you know. Not be money when I define when I want to buy ticket now. It's okay. As they don't reach us now, they don't enter palace. May you buy ticket now. Go meet your husband. May they call both of you now. May they settle the matter for house. Not be to call social media. Wah, 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 wah. No. So, I don't want to play this your video. I don't want to plan. I don't want to play this your video too much again. I don't plan reach. We I want to take for a side. I don't talk unto the air. But waiting me the appeal they put today. As I talk and say disgrace Allah white way. And it comes to pass. Now be waiting at the appeal they put today. Because any man, any woman will not understand me, they see truth. It get as God till they pay them their reward. Or when you pay your head. Anybody will say you want to do me bad. I know the truth. My ancestors, by waiting follow me call this life. It must pour disgrace for their body. You don't see people when you laugh me say I don't get documents. So now they feel they travel today again now. They even they find me their picking give their paper now. They even they find woman where they want marry. They take their paper. Why some they relocate? If you go seek advice from my hand, or you tell me something, I tell you say this person not good, run for that person. If you not run, now you go regret at last. Today, Ovioku, the Mama Ovioku, and the movie wife, they cry for this. I say good loss. Ovioku, you don't see Anna since they come be today. You not see Anna. Because I see truth for social media. I see this truth. And the movie carry this Ovioku. They call they do ganya for the movie parlor. They call they do ganya. Matter happen where they coming for juju place for Nigeria. Where they coming for juju place. When I can't disgrace the native daughter, and the movie see the truth. But the movie support them when they carry me go courts. And the time of the disgrace of the court, it will see it very soon. I gbọ́ wọn wá we court ni ah. Imamo si agbọ́ wọn wá. Ima kidnap wọn. Dina fiama hen ya fi me na titi. You don't see what they do to other people. It don't reach your body now. It don't reach your body. As you they draw other people go juju place, they don't they draw you they go palace now. So make una help me share the video. 1 hour don't complete. I'll go work tomorrow. But I just come. Any word when I talk, it must come to pass. People don't know me. If you don't want to see the video, When I go find my page with the thief, when I go check on, I put a video. I put a picture for some of this video. When I go take now from there, look out the whole video when I put the picture. Now I see when I talk and dance, say this go enter the movie with the whole body. The disgrace in your son here. Who disgrace go past this one? So, people of the world, my brothers and my sister, any word when I tell person, may go write the day down. It must come to pass, it must come to reality. I went there in human. I went on with woman. So, my brothers and my sister, una good evening. God bless all of you. Make una share the video, make it go viral. I not come here come cause Ogun this evening. I not come cause Homila. I not come cause Sango. Now prophesy when I prophesied now. Now I can't remember them. And the time when I talk, the more you do video, why is it? Today, the disgrace when they follow you with prosper today. Baby mamas, we prosper born for. We born for prosper. You disgrace all of them for social media. You don't fit tell them the truth. You don't fit tell prosper the truth. You can't say me they can't do DNA test. Whether or not they get picking. And most of the women say they will do. Till today, at the movie, you not bring the DNA test where all those women do. You not bring a comment. As when I come they cry for life, you say they must do DNA, they must do DNA. You still say they not go comment. Where some come comment, the DNA way they do today, you see them. But I tell you, this is going to tattoo off on our body. I dare among the person will change you today at the movie where you know they do live video again. Because I know say they go wrong way. I can't change you. When I do you, you run, carry Bible come out for his house. You change to pastor. I even call the beg people, wasi aye, ogafi with wasi aye, ogafi with people see him for this live video. You need to praise me at the movie say, I be good picking with the street picking. But you see my matter, you carry me go courts. Time will come, we'll see the truth of the courts. Because there's no how I go enter my papa country where they say they define me. Me no agree me, they can't catch me for house. The video is still with me. Now inside court, inside airport. Now I handle myself to police. That time I will know whether a fake video, whether an original video, whether a back of kiosk they go do the video. Because if they arrest me for airport now, they will go ask EBS question whether this video now they do one. If not be EBS do the video, people will do the video, they'll bring the comments. But Papa don't tell me that say, na case I want to reach. A case in me, I have faith. Owe gwezoni go no kwa. Osugwigo. Owe ya mume. Owe ya mami go mume, owe ya kinu wano. Owe ni abo, iya kinu ya amosa. So, my people, I don't want to talk with you, I want to talk. So, una good night. I'll go work tomorrow. Una bye-bye, yo.